Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to convert the given string data into an integer using the C++ programming language. One effective way to convert a string object into a numeral int is to use the stoi function. The stoi function converts a string data to an integer type by passing the string as a parameter to return an integer value. For example, we have a numeric string as 987, and we want to convert it to a numeric type as 987. The stoi function takes as input a string value that is 987 and returns as output the integer version of it that is 987. This method is commonly used for newer versions of C++. First of all, input a string. Create an integer type variable that stores the conversion of string into integer type data using the stoi function. Print the converted value. Let's run the program. Do like and subscribe the channel.